The 138th Canton Fair is here and TSTY Electric is ready to showcase the strength of Made in China. Visit us at booth C14, 2J0708, where innovation meets power. From oil-immersed transformers to smart power solutions, every product here is designed for reliability and performance. Global partners trust TSTY for quality, precision, and service. From design to delivery, every transformer embodies our pursuit of innovation and reliability. With advanced manufacturing and smart technology, we empower sustainable growth and stable energy worldwide. Let's power the future together. Join us from October 15th to 19th at the 138th Canton Fair.